All right, good morning from Miami Criminal Court. I'm your South Florida lawyer, Patrick McGeehan, and I'm your best friend at your worst time. I had a very good question come in, actually two good questions come in. They are, what is a warrant, and what do I do if I have a warrant? Well, a warrant is essentially a court order from a judge to the police and sheriff saying, bring this person before the court. It can be for missing court, it can be for charging of a new crime, it can be charging of additional crime. You can either be in custody or not in custody. If you're not in custody, two things will happen. The warrant will sit in the computer until the cops run across you on a traffic stop or have some type of contact you and run your name, or they can actively go out and look for you and hook you up on the warrant. And usually that happens at about 3 a.m. They come banging on your door with the warrant and take you to jail in your pajamas. So what do you do if you have a warrant? A lot of warrants are because people miss court. If you miss court and you're just a few minutes late and they called your name and the judge issued a bench warrant, a lot of times you can ask the judge to set aside the warrant, explain to them that you were late, be honest with them, and a lot of times they'll do that. They don't have to do that. They could take you into custody right then and there. If you have a warrant that's a day or two old because you missed court, you can have your lawyer or you can yourself can file a motion to set aside the warrant. Again, the judges have a lot of discretion. They can set aside the warrant, reset the case on the docket, or they can order you be taken into custody. If you have a warrant that's been in the system for a while and you need to resolve it, the easiest way to resolve it is to turn yourself in on the warrant. It's an easy process in Broward and Palm Beach counties. It's a walkthrough. You basically walk through, get booked in, post the bond for the warrant, because warrants, unless they're major crimes, have bonds associated with them, which is a dollar amount. Pay the bond, you get released. Takes a couple hours. In Dade County, it's a bit more of a process. In Dade County, you actually have to be booked into the jail, go through the entire booking process, then have your bond posted, then you'll be released. It's an all-day affair. So that's what a warrant is, and that's what you do if you have a warrant, you get it resolved. Otherwise, you'll be riding around, get stopped by the police, and be taken to jail because you have a warrant. And a lot of people don't know that they have open warrants, or seemingly so. So they're often surprised when the police stop them for running a red light or speeding, they end up going to jail on a warrant. There you have it, warrants in a nutshell. I'm your South Florida lawyer, Patrick McGeehan. I am your best friend at your worst time, coming to you live on this beautiful day from Miami-Dade Criminal Court. Lawyering in paradise, the life of a Miami lawyer. I absolutely love it.